Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel where I crochet, knit and share my journey and experiences with you. You can follow along on this journey by hitting that like and subscribe button. Today we will be making these simple crochet flowers and we are mainly using double crochet and some chain stitches. It's very easy. You can make them with 6 petals, and if you are using a fine weight yarn, sock weight yarn, number 3 or number 2 yarn, then you can even get away with 8 or 9 petals depending upon how many double crochets you have made, because I made 12 here and I got 6 petals. So your double crochets in the center are double the number of the petals you will get. So that's the kind of maths you will be figuring out. So for the center of my flower I am using this tapestry yarn, and for my center of the flowers I often use these yarns, this thing. Why? Because you can get plenty of colors, different colors, and play with them. In the video it leaning more towards blue, but it is green, nice grape green. So you don't have to buy whole balls and then be stuck with them, and you can just get these skeins and get plenty of them. And we will start by making a slip knot and making a chain of 5. I am making chain of 5 because we have to fit 12 double crochets in the ring that we will make. So we will start by making 1 chain of 3, which will be our first double crochets, and now we will carefully make 11 double crochets. Let's count our stitches once before we join our circle. So starting with our 3 chain, which is our first double crochet, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. So we have exactly the right number, and we are going to join with the first chain 3, with a slip stitch. We'll cut our yarn and secure the tail. This is the center of our flower. For the petals I'm going to use this bright red. Now we are going to start our flower, and we are going to start with chain. So let's make a slip knot, join anywhere in the circle, pick the 2 loops, pull through your yarn, and now we will make a chain of 3. In next stitch I will make 3 double crochets, and I will make a chain of 3 and slip stitch in the next stitch, and I will make a chain of 3. So after making chain 3, in the next stitch you will make 3 double crochets. Chain 3, and in the next stitch we will make a slip stitch and then a chain 3 in the and 3 double crochets in the next stitch. So this is how we are going to complete our flower. And in the last stitch we will make 3 double crochets. And we will make a chain 3, and this is where we started our flower. We made a slip stitch, starting slip stitch, and this is ending slip stitch. Let's cut our yarn and weave in the end. So I will just pull it tight and make a slip knot couple of times. Let's weave in the end. At the back side I will be using a smaller crochet hook, and I'm just going in between my double crochets and I will pull this loop and hide it well. This is my starting tail, and here is the final look of our flower, 6-petal flower. You can see the finishing on the back side, and you can also see the difference it makes when you use a very lightweight yarn. I have used same yarn for the center in these 2 flowers, but because this is the medium weight and this is the lightweight yarn, so you can see how the petals are smaller. I have increased the number of double crochets in the center, so that's why I'm getting more petals in this flower. And this is the one that we made together in bright red. So I do hope that you will have fun making this very easy flower, and I will see you next time with a new flower, with a new project. Till then, take care.